Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to this channel. So I'm going to be reviewing this soap by Mild by Nature. It's a peppermint soap. It has no grit in it from what I remember in the description, and the cost is similar to a Crate 66 bar of soap. So I'm going to be testing this out and letting you guys know what to kind of expect with this bar soap and if it's even worth it. Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you an update on this soap by Mild Nature. It's a moisturizing peppermint Castile soap. That's the name of it. These are the ingredients again. I've pretty much used it all up. I've got like a little thin slab left. Used it for about 2 weeks, and honestly, it's not a very powerful soap. It's a very mild soap, as the name suggests. So it's, you know what, at this point, it's like you probably would have been better off getting a Crate 66 bar soap. That's a little bit more powerful, like a drop more, and it uses, I believe it uses more natural ingredients in this, but I'm not entirely sure. I just remember that when I used this soap, it gave me that hint of like a Crate 66 bar. But yeah, it's a very mild soap, so if you're into that, then this might be the soap for you. I'll post a link in the description to where I purchased it from. I purchased it off Iherb.ca. And yeah, it's a very mild soap. Nothing special, to be honest. It does use all natural ingredients from what it says. Yeah, I'm not really sure about all this stuff, but I do know that it has some peppermint inside, and it doesn't have that refreshing feeling, you know, when you if you were to put some actual peppermint essential oil in your soap, in your body wash, that would have a more refreshing effect than this. But otherwise, it has a very mild hint of peppermint as you're using it. So yeah, that's pretty much it.